The Office of the District Medical and Health Officer, in collaboration with the District Tuberculosis Officer of Ribhoi District, commemorated the one-year anniversary of the Pradhan Mantri TB Mukt Bharat Abhiyan in Nongpo. The PMTB MBA was launched last year by the President of India with the ambitious goal of eliminating tuberculosis by 2025. Dr. E. Kalwing, District Tuberculosis Officer, informed that Ribhoi District currently has 333 TB patients with 254 still undergoing treatment. Out of these, only 98 TB patients have been adopted by Nikshay Mitra under the PMTB MBA for nutritional support, which highlights the urgent need for collective action to combat the spread of this disease. Dr. Kalwing encouraged individuals, cooperative societies, corporate entities, elected representatives, and institutions to support TB patients by becoming Nikshay Mitra.
Lai spak lai pulai ngot de tang kendai pu prangot kinong pang TB la tingkun da kita Nikshay Mitra Henry kiwi pat kidang sa kidang up kemi lenti bakin adopt ya daki Nikshay Mitra banirap iki ya kabam kadi kidon katong ya kaban penduna lane ban penduk jai no ya kajing pang TB haus nem ar hajar ar pusan tingi don kam ya kajing ya trilang jong baro kenang bangila ban job ya kani katong